Consistent characters for free. How cute is this? Yes, you heard me right. Let's start our tutorial. Link will be in description. As always, no worries. Let's open Sign. If it's your first time, sign up. If not, sign in. Hey, let's choose the free plan, of course. It's limited, but you'll be able to create a story. Choose consistent character. This is a fabulous feature you will love. Choose consistent character again. You've chosen the character. Now choose the background, the action, and other details. Choose fast generation. Click on Generate, let the magic begin. There will be 2 photos on your right menu. Choose to watch it and then drag the one you like. Maybe you like them both, so just download them. What now? You have the pictures. What can you do? You can animate them. Yes! Choose a video generator. Clipfly is just an example. You can choose whatever you want, and if you end your credits, choose another one. Let's see how you can do this. Choose image to video, because you already have the pictures. Choose the number of videos and the mode, standard. Write your prompt, what you want happen in the video. You can choose your style or not because you already have the picture. Click on Generate Video. Wait just a little bit and then you have the result. This is just an example. See the wonderful things you can do with AI? Well, I have a lot of playlists on amazing AI tools for you and your projects, so don't forget to watch them. If you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for your new projects. Bye bye for now.